Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a refund on Just Eat. First, open the Just Eat app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're in, you'll see the home screen where you can browse restaurants, groceries, or any type of food you want. To request a refund, tap on the Orders tab. This will show you a list of all your recent orders. Find the order you want a refund for, and tap on it to open the details. Scroll down and you'll see two buttons. I'm unhappy with my order and Get More Help. First, tap on Get More Help. Then, on the next screen, tap I'm unhappy with my order. Now, select the reason why you're unhappy with your order. For example, your food was damaged, missing, or cold. Be honest about what happened. Choose the specific items that were affected. Add a short description of the problem and tap Done. After you submit your request, Just Eat will review your claim and get back to you through the app or by email. Once approved, your refund will be processed automatically. And that's it. That's how you can easily apply for a refund on the Just Eat app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.